Nifty and Bank Nifty move in synchronicity. They have a relationship, and here I am looking at Nifty 50 indices and Bank Nifty indices, both daily time frame. Here you can see the charts. As you can see in the chart, they both are to an extent moving in the same direction. However, when you see them in a small time frame, you'll get a lot of trading opportunities because one follows the other. There is an opportunity hidden wherein Nifty is doing something. As you know, through the concept, Bank Nifty will also follow. So you get opportunity in Bank Nifty. This is just an example. You get opportunity in Bank Nifty that a trade setup can be made by looking at Nifty. We'll discuss this in our coming slides. However, please understand the concept. Whenever we are trading, we just don't have to look at Nifty or Bank Nifty. Let's say there is Nifty chart and Bank Nifty chart. You want to trade in Bank Nifty. You will just not look at Bank Nifty. You have to look at Nifty also, what it is doing. Are there any barriers in the front? We will talk about this, how to take a trade. But right now the concept should be crystal clear because this is also one of the strong foundations. Let me show you one example of Nifty and Bank Nifty relationship in the live market and how we can take out trades for us and turn the information we have into opportunity. So here we are looking at Bank Nifty indices chart, 3 minutes time frame. As you can see, the market actually gave a very small gap up, and from here it started coming down, and here it took a sharp reversal. What if we already know the sharp reversal will come? For this, I told you we have to check Nifty and Bank Nifty because they both work in synchronicity. Right now we are checking Bank Nifty. On the next page, we have Nifty also of the same date, 10th February. And let's see what Nifty is telling us. This is how we take opportunities out of information we have and take trades accordingly. Here is a Nifty indices chart, same 3 minutes time frame, and we are looking at 10th February, same like Bank Nifty. Here also same thing happened. Market actually went up, and from here it started coming down. However, there is one interesting thing which has happened here. The confirmation for the trade we have received. How we have received? See, the price action candle is taking a strong support from CPR, pivot point, and this is a confirmation for us to take the trade. If we want to take a trade in Bank Nifty, you are looking at Bank Nifty. However, you have to check Nifty also. Is there any information, vital information Nifty is providing? In this case, it is actually providing, and we will take a trade once this candle comes out of CPR. Keep our stop loss somewhere here and take a trade and see what a journey it has taken. Let me show you. Let me combine these two charts for you. Here I have combined both the charts together. See, in live market you will get a lot of opportunities, but you will be able to see those opportunities only if you know how to take information out of it and see where to see. So this is one concept where I have made a lot of money in trading, to be very honest. The relationship, mostly if you are looking only at Bank Nifty chart where you want to take the trade, it will not give you exact information, and this is the reason a lot of false breakout happens because people just rely on one chart, Nifty or Bank Nifty.